Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Have another unboxing for you guys, and this time it's by the Detox Market and it's their Detox Box and it's for August. I've been getting this box for about 6 months now and I don't know how I feel about it. For one, it is a pricey subscription box. For 1 month, this box costs $55. You can also get a 3-month subscription and that one is $44.95 a month. Or you can get the 6-month is what I got, and that one is $39.95. I want to make sure I said it right. 3 months is $44.95, yes, and 6-month is $39.95. So yeah, it is a little bit on the pricier side, but you are getting products in here that are worth $90 or more. One thing that I do like about it is that the Detox Market, they are selling brands that are organic, clean, and green beauty products, which are really good to use. And I also like that they concentrate on one specific brand a month. That's just a different concept for me and I kind of like it. But for now, I'm still getting it and I still would like to show you guys what is in this box, and let's go ahead and see what's in here for the month of August. I didn't open it. Hold on. Alright, got the scissors and I forgot to open this part. I did this part but not this part. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what's in this month, what brand we're going to get. There it is right there, all nicely packed. Alright, it comes with 2 cards in here. It gives you a little explanation about this. And let me get my glasses. This month's brand, Meet the Maker, is Josh Rosebrook. Okay, never heard of that brand before. There he is right there. That's the owner, or that is Josh Rosebrook. And it also has a little Q&A answer in the back about him. What it is, it's a thoughtful collection made with high quality, organic, and wild-crafted herbal actives and plant oils, plus high potency, synergistic infusions for radiant skin and hair. Okay, that sounds really good. And the other card gives you an explanation of what the products are in here. All right, and right on top here, it looks like we get 3 samples. I think it's just something extra that they threw in here. And we have one of them is a complete moisture cleanse, so it's a gel cleanser. And the other one is, both of them are the Nutrient Day Cream. It's a facial moisturizer with an SPF of 30. So 2 moisturizers and 1 cleanser. All right, nice little samples there, nice little touch. It looks like we have 3 products in here. Let me pull out this one. It's a serum spray for style, so I'm thinking this is for the hair. Let me read the card about it. Save time and your tresses with this all-in-one heat protective styling fluid. Made with baobab seed oil and neem, I believe that's how you say it. The formula nurtures the scalp, encourages healthy growth, and imparts serious smoothness and manageability. You get 4 ounces of product in here and this costs $28. So you spritz this on clean, dry hair, distribute with fingers, and style away. Color safe and suitable for all hair types. Okay. The other one, it's a pump also, and this is the Hydrating Accelerator Moisturizing Facial Mist. Okay, love facial mist. And so much more than a mist, this one-of-a-kind toner showers skin in hydration and antioxidants, delivering a plump, smooth, and radiant appearance. You get 4 ounces of product in here, and this costs $35. Wow. Let me go ahead and try that. Okay. Oh, that does smell good. It's very refreshing. Wow, that one did feel refreshing on my skin, and it smells very nice. Okay, but wow, $35 for this. All right, and the last product in here, it's in a box, and it's the Active Enzyme Exfoliator. Exfoliating Facial Mask. Okay, you know I love masking. You know I love masking. Boasting an ingredient list worthy of an herbalist arsenal, this nutrient-rich, resurfacing mask works double duty. Fruit, enzymes, and acids dissolve dead cells as finely ground walnut shells. Oh, I like that one. Reveal fresh, radiant skin, plus raw honey and potent plant oils clear, nurture, and soften. All right, this one sounds really, really yummy. Okay, it's a small jar. Let's see. It's 0.75 of an ounce, and it's $38 for this. Comes covered, but I'm going to open it anyway. Oops, nope, that didn't open it. That looks really good, though. Oh, that smells good. Oh, okay. You know how I kind of said in the beginning it was kind of a iffy for me? I think this month I like it. I like that they threw in some samples in here too. That's really nice. Alright, this month's box cost $101. So, you know, not bad, not bad. And the brand is Josh Rosebrook. Let me know if you guys have heard of this brand, but so far, I can't wait to try the mask, and I do like the spritz, and we'll try the hair too. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.